Welcome guys, so today I'm with the Nubia Red Magic 6R and I want to show you how camera promote looks in this phone. To open the promote you have to click next to the photo mode, and as you can see right here we can find different parameters. They appear right here at the bottom, so I'm gonna show you how we can adjustment. The first, it's the shutter speed. The maximum value we can get the 60 seconds and set it automatically. Next, we got the white balance. Right here we got the ISO. Right here we got the focus. Still we can get it manually or automatically. The only parameter that we can set up only manually, that's the exposure compensation. Here we can set the intervals, so we can take photo each second. Take a look. Right here we can switch between the lenses. As you can see on this lens, some options are not available. Right here we can lock the white balance and the focus. Right here we can enable filters. Here we can find camera timer between 3, 5 or 10 seconds. We can enable the flashlight, and here we can find great guide to the promote. If you don't know nothing about these parameters, you can take a look right here and read what is going on. So yeah, that's all for this video. If you find it helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.